So are you worried your credit score might stop you getting a UK mortgage, especially if you're an expat overseas or a foreign national recent to the UK? Well, here's 3 things that you can do right now to improve your chances. The first thing is to check your credit report. Not just the one credit agency, but all 3, Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. Remember, mistakes and gaps can be common, especially if you've just arrived in the UK or you live overseas. So doing that first check is important. The second tip is to clear or tidy up particularly revolving credit debt, such as credit cards or store cards. Even a store card with £1,000 balance can make a difference to your affordability. The third area is to build your credit profile and your footprint carefully. Consider using a credit card credit builder with a small balance, or taking on a mobile phone or broadband contract in your name and paying the bill on time every month. This can really improve your scoring. And remember, if you don't have a credit score in the UK, you may still qualify for a UK mortgage based on other factors such as employment, income, deposit level, your overseas credit file, and some other factors that may play into that. Here's a great example. Sheila from Ghana, who was recent to the UK in the last 18 months, she didn't have a very high credit scoring. However, one UK bank new to the market had a particular product aimed at accepting clients from certain African countries, Ghana being one of them. So this, alongside the fact that Sheila had a good employment contract, a good level of deposit, and the lender was able to approve the decision in principle for Sheila and offer her terms. So if you're an expat overseas, remember, some lenders will accept your international credit report, and there are some other lenders that may not need that. So speak to your specialist broker about what is applicable for your scenario. Do you need help building or expanding your credit score with UK lenders? Perhaps you need a lender that won't require a UK credit file. Well, please speak to us and we can help and guide you step by step. If this has been useful, please follow us on the socials or book a free discovery call. And remember, big moves start with small steps, and I'm here when you're ready.